Just now coming in of the stampede-like situation. As we broke the news right here on Times Now, we are getting you the images as well when it comes to the people who have been affected were shifted to the hospital. News reports suggest that Prime Minister Narendra Modi have also dialed UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath after that stampede-like situation unfolded in the ongoing Mahakumbh. The Prime Minister has now taken stock of the situation. So direct intervention there that we are looking of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as far as the biggest religious gathering and the biggest human gathering that is now being witnessed, something that can be also seen and spotted from space. Akansha, we are getting the information that the Prime Minister had a word with the UP Chief Minister.
Well, absolutely, Avida. Prime Minister also spoke to UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath about this stampede-like situation that arose here earlier today. What we're learning is that he took information about what really happened today. He reviewed the developments and called for the support measures as far as the situation and the crowd management in Mahakumbh is concerned. So direct intervention of the Prime Minister. He took a review of what happened here and how can the authorities here make sure that it does not happen again. So he took a review of the crowd management of Mahakumbh Mela as well. Now, earlier today, Amita, as we were discussing, a stampede-like situation arose here. This exact reason for that is currently unknown, but all the injured have been shifted to the hospital, which is nearby. It is the central hospital that has been set up.
We'll come back to you, Akansha. We'll come back to you. This is the breaking update that we're getting to know of the stampede-like situation that has now been reported, that is affected when it comes to today's Amrit Snan. However, the Prime Minister is also taking stock of the situation. Let's quickly move on because we are looking at the countdown and it is nearing that very minute when ISRO is all set to hit a century with the landmark 100th launch from Sriharikota. In moments from now, we are expecting India's premier space agency that will launch a new generation navigation satellite, which is the NVS-02 aboard the GSLV F-15 rocket. You can see people there who have gathered, space enthusiasts, of course, are eagerly waiting because this launch that is now taking place from the second launch pad of the Sriharikota at 6:23 a.m. and exactly in a minute we'll get you the live commentary as well that is now coming in as the launch